The UAE was built on a vision, a belief that nothing is impossible. The 7 constellations engraved into every QX80 tells that story. They symbolize the unity of the 7 Emirates and the shared spirit that continues to drive this nation forward. It's a reflection of who we are, proud of our roots, yet always reaching higher. Modern, ambitious, and deeply connected to heritage. In many ways, this edition mirrors the UAE itself. Timeless at heart, but always moving toward what's next.
The main Emirati culture or symbolism guided in our design was the unity, strength, and connection. The design is crafted in a custom silver base finished with black rhodium on top. We use around 38 diamonds to bring the sky to the life. Every element was created with precision and purpose, a harmony of strength, elegance, and emotion.
For us at Damas, it's an honor to be part of a tribute that celebrates UAE's legacy. Working with INFINITI for us as a team has allowed us to take our artistry beyond the jewelry world. And being included in this collaboration reflects our shared values, our deep-rooted connection to the nation.
At Arabian Automobiles, we've never seen cars as just machines. They're expressions of culture and emotion. With INFINITI, we aim to create experiences that connect innovation with identity. This collaboration with Damas does exactly that, brings together craftsmanship, creativity, and community. It's a proof that we're not just in business of selling cars. We're shaping stories that celebrate people, pride, and progress. As an Emirati company, we take pride in reflecting the spirit of this nation, inspired by its people and driven by its infinite possibilities.